These last few years have been sleepless. They've been frightening. They've been downright terrorizing because we just don't know what can happen.
Patricia, how are you and your son Max doing?
Max is doing well right now. He is, by way of background, his health story. He was born in 2001. That makes him 19. At the time, we thought Max was simply going to be a complex congenital heart child. He was finally diagnosed with a genetic mutation that is not rare. It is unique to him.
Can you tell us how the healthcare reforms, how have they helped you and your family?
The two biggest factors that have helped us is the pre-existing conditions. We can no longer, or he can no longer be denied coverage. And of course, the lifetime caps. People ask, well, why are lifetime caps so important? Who could possibly hit $1 million? We did, by 6 months of age. The letters started to come in from the insurance companies, and they were warning us, you're this many dollars away, you're this many dollars away. And we didn't know what we were going to do. We would have had to figure out, do we give him to my parents? Do they become his guardian? These were real situations before 2010.
Do you get a sense as a doctor in the ER, the insurance situation with your patients?
Once I see somebody and make a diagnosis, and for the majority of people, they would have to then go seek follow-up care, either with a private, like a primary medical doctor or some kind of specialist. That used to be a huge problem prior to the Affordable Care Act. I saw what was happening specifically in Arizona with regard to how people would react. I'd tell them, hey, listen, you broke a bone, I'm going to put a splint on for now. And you get people crying and get people upset and say, I have no way of making that happen. I just can't afford it, and I can't see somebody.
As a senator, if elected, I'll work on fixing some of these flaws in our healthcare system, defending protections for Arizonans with pre-existing conditions. We can't let that go away. I'm not going to let that happen if elected to the U.S. Senate.